few years ago, we started out with a dream to train a generation of practitioners who could bring water security to landscapes everywhere. What's happened since then has surpassed our wildest dreams. Since 2022, we've trained over 300 professionals, land stewards, and advocates who are building water retention features and healing their local ecosystems. Across a massive spectrum of countries, age groups, and backgrounds, we're seeing a global movement of people who are restoring water on landscapes, and we're just getting started. We've been shocked in the best way to hear how many people have been empowered by the Water Stories core course. We've seen professionals launch profitable careers in water cycle restoration in just a year after taking the course. And we've seen farmers build ponds that recharge groundwater and springs. And we've also seen people of every age group creating lasting changes in their community by supporting water retention earthworks. This is a movement unlike any other. It is empowering people to take action and reverse drought, flood, and fire by learning how to restore degraded water cycles in any context and any climate. With 2 course formats, you can take a self-guided program that allows you to take all the time you need, or a guided cohort group that offers live calls with Zach Weiss and walks you through each module week by week. If you want to get into the nitty-gritty of pond building, earthworks, and water harvesting, this course is the right program because it's filled with in-depth training on excavators and earthwork tools. It also teaches you practical water earthwork design methods so you can bring water back to your landscape without getting bogged down in overcomplicated and expensive designs. No matter your age, background, or physical capability, the core course will guide you on a path of practice so you can restore the water cycle on the lands you care about. Start your journey today.